One to one. Yeah. I don't want you, Lewis. I deliver assault. That one big guy. One two. Yeah. 1 2 1 2.
Rashidi.
I'm fine.
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hit me.
Rashagi, you're boxing now.
No, I'm not boxing now. I'm boxing pro now. So be waiting that they do here. Be like how they fry plantain before you be like auxiliary cord.
I'm sorry. That's not what I meant.
What do you now met? What do you now met now? I be as you come, you know see how they train. And they say boxing here. I want go beat that boy way there for Mexico. That boy way fight with Anthony Joshua. You understand? That one will be like a Enugu New Year festival. That boy, I go there go beat am. The only thing where they hold me now to travel out to Mexico. Now only bank statement. I don't get bank statement.
Ordinary bank statement. Don't you have a bank account?
Account. I don't get account, all those banks. The money where they say make I bring to open account is too much.
Rashagi, just to open a savings or a business account, you can get a Zenith account for 0 naira.
Nah lie you. Do you met it?
Just dial *966*0# and follow the instructions, or walk into any Zenith Bank branch around you and open your account today. So what are you waiting for? Open your Zenith Bank account today and start enjoying superior service.
No worry. Zenith Bank plenty for Mushin here. Like say they get 1 million plot of land. No worry, I go open bank accounts, go Mexico, go fight that boy, we fight Anthony Joshua. I go beat am blue black or long. Oh yeah, I go. That one will be like hippopotamus and elephants. Where they summarize.